Hello children. Today let us learn how to write a diary entry. Diary entry is a minor discourse. It is a paper one skill and it is asked for 5 marks. Now let's have a quick glance at the pattern to be followed. Firstly, imagine yourself to be the person who is writing the diary. Then write in one sentence how you felt because of the incident, that is the impact of the incident on you. Then narrate the incident in 2 to 3 sentences. Then write your personal feelings, how you felt after the incident, how you felt. That needs to be recorded. Ask a few questions to yourself or to God with regard to the incident. Then always give a hopeful ending or conclude with a resolution. Here goes the question this way. Nick was depressed and attempted suicide. Luckily, he was rescued. Imagine yourself as Nick's mother and attempt a diary entry. Here we go the answering way. Diary entry. Then write the date and time to the right hand top corner. Then start with greeting the diary. Dear diary. Then tell how the day was. It was so painful to hear that my son tried to drown himself in the bathtub. Then you narrate the incident. He left the tap open, stopped his breath and immersed himself inside the water. Now, the aftermath of the incident. I was shocked to hear that he took such an extreme step. Now, the personal feelings. I think I had done something terribly wrong when I was pregnant, and that's the cause for all the misery. On top of that, I joined him in mainstream school to add up to his worries. I thought I had done everything that I ought to do, but today I realized that I need to think of something more. So here comes a conclusion where a U-turn, where there is a turning point, where there comes a resolution in the diary entry. From now on, I'll try spending more time with him. Only my prayers have saved my child from killing himself. So, from today, I'll increase my prayer time. I'll be little more careful in the days to come. So, this is how you conclude with a hopeful note. Then at last you write the writer's name, that is the one who is writing the diary. It is Nick's mother who is writing the diary. Hence, we have written Nick's mother. Hope you all understood how to write a diary entry. Hope this is useful for you. Thank you children. Thank you for watching. And for further updates, you can subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a blessed day.